Hey everybody, it's Dylan Tutton here with Open Roads Complete RV. Wanted to show you guys another Winnebago motorhome that just rolled in. This is the Winnebago Minnie Winnie. So you guys might have heard a lot about Minnie Winnie in the past, especially on Winnebago. This is the 31D. So we took on the Minnie Winnie line as well. So we've got Vista, Minnie Winnie, Fuse, a bunch of other lines coming in. Wanted to show you guys this one. So let me turn it around for us. So this is the Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31D. This is on the E450 chassis. It's a gas motorhome. It's got front cap on the front with your marker lights as well. It does have a slide out with slide toppers and a good size awning. Outdoor entertainment system. It's going to have an outdoor TV. Also has your levelers up underneath too, which is really big on Class C motorhomes. Some of them aren't going to have it. This has got a lot of storage back here. So you got cross-through storage. It is a plastic floor as well, so super easy. If you ever needed to wash anything out of it, carrying kind of picnic stuff, cooler stuff, or what have you. You're also going to have an entertainment center back here too. So this is going to have your radio system for your outdoor speakers too, with your LED lights. Ladder for the roof. So if you need to get up top, check anything on the roof, you got it. And this also has a slide out on the back. So whenever you're driving, looking to drive something a little bit shorter, but still want all that space in the back whenever you get to the campground, this is the one for you. It's going to have a backup camera as well. And then, of course, here's your other entry for your storage out here. You're still going to have a 30 amp hookup, so going to be great at any campgrounds. So super easy, and it is usually a little bit less expensive for a 30 amp hookup as well. Has your cable, so if your campground you're at has your camp cable as well, that's your hookup. Alright, moving around, this is going to have cameras on your side view mirrors too, so whenever you're going down the road changing lanes or whatnot, your camera's still going to pop up on your dash whenever you do hit your turn signal. Alright, moving on inside. Guys, the quality on this is just mind-blowing. They are coming in and they are fantastic. Gonna have a jackknife sofa as well as a bunk above the driver as well, and then of course your dinette drops down into bed too. So realistically this could sleep 8 people easily, not a problem. Gonna give you plenty of space, but it's not a bunkhouse either. So if you're still looking for that couples coach, but maybe sometimes bringing the grandkids or what have you, this is definitely the one to take a look at. So you have your touchscreen radio, AM, FM radio, CD player. Again, this is where your backup camera and your side view mirror cameras are going to pop up as well. Then, of course, your TV above your dinette. So just about anywhere in this living area, you're going to be able to see that TV. Plenty of counter space. Guys, solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink, plenty of room to maneuver in here. You got your RV fridge. Again, this is your propane and your electric, so going to give you plenty of space in the fridge as well, and then your freezer. So moving on back, right here you have your holding tank heater. So if you are in those colder climates, this does have a holding tank heater as well. And all of your controls are just right here, all in one spot, super easy to get to, and you're not open up cabinets or what have you looking for everything, okay? So moving on, this is a little pantry area. You can put any kind of spices or just any kind of stuff you get at the grocery store right there. Gonna have some great closet space back here as well. And as you walk back, look at all this space in the bedroom. Again, this is a slide out for the bed. So that slide out that I showed you earlier, this gives you all the more space back here. You do still have plugs right here for any kind of phone chargers or anything you might want to plug in the bedroom. And then of course you're gonna have a TV back here as well. Then moving on to the bathroom. Hard glass shower door, so still going to give you plenty of space, and also it's going to stop any of that water from coming through, having that hard glass shower door. Skylight in the shower, plenty of counter space in the bathroom as well. So if you guys are, any ladies or whatnot setting up mirrors and stuff, gives you plenty of space. Also going to have plenty of cabinet space in the bathroom as well. Then, of course, the door blocks that, so if you guys do want some more privacy in the bedroom than just what the standard curtain gives you, then you're going to have that too. Guys, there's so much to go over on this camper. There's tons and tons of extra options that that just is so much to go over. So would love to see you, man, take a look at the Minnie Winnie. And again, this isn't the only thing we got. We have the Vista, we have the Minnie Winnie, we have the Fuse, we have the Intent, which is brand new, just rolled in as well. You're going to see videos on. So come out, check us out. 2 locations, Woodstock, Georgia and Cartersville, Georgia at Open Roads. Hope you guys have a great day and see you soon.